guys, LuckyBoy007 here. If you were wondering what that was, that's a bird, and he thinks that this is a cave, a dark cave, because there's a covering, and you can't see the house, you can't see anything from the outside. But he thinks it's so black, it's a cave, so he tries to go in. This is the weirdest, like non-stop. He's finally gone. But look at all this. There you go. There's another one. Here we can get a shot at him. Really? This is just so weird. One day he said he ran himself into the head. It's so hard he's gonna kill himself. I think he's coming. I think he's coming. Nope. Look at all this damage. Man, that's a lot of scratch. Yep, there he is. He thinks looks like it's being thrown in the air. There. 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 Yeah, guys, that's the quick video. LuckyBoy007 signing out.